SyndicateBank Mobile Banking. In this video, we are going to see how to download SyndicateBank Mobile Banking application for Android and start using the various functions of it. To start with this, you have to be a registered mobile banking user. Click on Play Store button. Type Synd Mobile in search apps. SyndicateBank Mobile Banking application is here. Click on the Synd Mobile icon. Now click on Install button and then click on Accept. Your mobile banking application starts downloading. Once SyndicateBank Mobile Banking application is installed, click on Open. In order to start using the application, you have to get an activation code. To get the activation code, type the message as code and send it to 9870900876 from your registered mobile number. You will get an activation code to your registered mobile number. Use this activation code to activate your mobile banking application. Open your mobile banking application and type your registered mobile number here and enter the activation code received on your mobile. Now click on Activate button. Enter the MPIN received from the bank in Old MPIN field. Now set your new MPIN and confirm your MPIN. Now click on Submit button. Create a login password for your mobile banking. Confirm your password. Now click on Create Password. Enter the password to login. Click on Login button. Your mobile banking application page appears. Here, default account number is displayed here. To view the balance, click on Get Details. Enter your MPIN. Click on Confirm button. Current balance of your account is displayed here. To view the mini statement, click here. Your last 5 transactions are displayed here.